In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube search history on a Samsung Galaxy tablet. So there's two ways that you can do it. The first way is by deleting individual searches. So press on the magnifying glass in the top right, and if there's a specific search that you want to delete, you find it and tap and hold it, and then it'll ask, do you want to remove it from the search history, and then you tab it. If you want to delete all your YouTube searches, then that'll take too long. So to do that, come into the main menu, press on your profile in the bottom right, and then in the top right, press on the settings wheel. From in here, you want to come down and select manage all history, and that'll load your history. And then you simply want to come down and press delete, and you have an option to delete today, delete from a custom range, or delete from all time. So I'm just going to pick delete today, but you can choose whatever you want. And then you'll see it says 1 day deleted. So that's how to delete your YouTube search history on a Samsung Galaxy tablet.